Good morning, it is Bank Holiday Saturday, May 3rd. We have got plenty of plants in there. We're well into the season now, so we've got pretty much a great stock across the board. We've got some lovely hydrangeas in there, we've got some maxidalias, we've got lots of the single pot, bacopa, serfinia, we've got tomato plants, strawberry plants, they're all in the $2.99 range. Then we have the best selection of bed we've had so far this year. We have Allison, we've got marigolds, we've got Mimulus, violas, begonias, serfinia, and then in the single pots we've got loads of those, all $3.99. We've got azaleas, we've got some osteos, we have bacopa and geraniums. So plenty there, and we still have lots of compost, which is $6.99 to $4.15. We are here till 5:30 this evening. We don't open the bank holiday Monday, and we never open Sundays. So enjoy whatever you go to your weekend. See you till 5:30. Have a good one.